Open House is an event for everyone in the community, and we welcome everyone who wants to come, whether they just want to learn more about veterinary medicine or they're interested in becoming a part of the field one day.
Okay, thank you.
The latest and greatest addition to Open House this year is our brand new dairy barn. It's a state-of-the-art facility that increases efficiency and productivity for the dairy cows, as well as helps students learn more about dairy medicine.
The brewery is behind you, so we definitely had a big upgrade here.
I always wanted to be a veterinarian personally, but there definitely was a time in my life where I didn't think that I'd be able to do it. And I think it's really important with the open house specifically for members of the community to come and see students that are in the program and see what it will be like when themselves or their children are wanting to apply and come to this school. There's so many different ways to get here.
Oh, you got it too high. There we go. How's that?
What did it sound like? You hear it?
Is it bad? What's it sound like?
I hope people come to the open house and leave with a new understanding and hopefully a new appreciation for veterinary medicine.
Veterinary medicine is so vast and so involved in our everyday lives. We help every part of the community, whether it's rescuing turtles and rehabilitating them, or helping with clinical breakthroughs that make the next big thing in medicine.
I went to NC State here, graduated in 2009, and so we try to come back every year to enjoy it, and she wants to be a veterinarian, so hopefully she'll attend here too.
It's always a great experience. We try to come out every year, and a lot of fun activities, hands-on activities. You get to see the students at work, you get to see the professionals at work as well. It's just a good mix. So kids enjoy it and have a lot of fun activities for the kids too, so they can engage in different ways.
Come back.